Quizlet is an excellent tool for helping students practice difficult vocabulary. If you're interested in using Quizlet in your Schoology course, it's incredibly easy to embed the different sets. So in order to first access Quizlet, you'll want to sign up. And you can sign up with your Google account or a regular email. I'm going to use my Google account. I can see I'm already logged in. And then you can create a username. I'm just going to pick a random date. I'm going to continue with free Quizlet. So from here I can create a study set, invite friends, create an image set, record my voice, so on and so forth. But what I want to try is to see if there are any study sets already created for the content I'd like my students to practice. So let's say I was looking for coding language, and I just wanted them to practice coding vocabulary. All you do is search the term, and then you see the different sets that instructors from across the world have already created. So here's a coding set. There's 22 terms created by this instructor, and these are some previews of the different terms in the set. So you can see scrolling through, there's a lot of different sets about coding. If you want to explore a set, you simply click on the set, and then you can look at the flashcards to see the different terms. So you click to flip, and you can continue through to see if this is a set that you'd be interested in. You can play the set, you can shuffle them, you can start with the definition or the term. Aside from simple flashcards, students can also type the definitions directly into the site. They can test the definitions. So you may have fill in the blank, you may have matching, you may have multiple choice. Students can also play a matching game where they have to drag the term to the definition. Students can also play a gravity game where they must protect the planets from incoming asteroids. So a term comes down, and then the student would have to type the definition. So once you've explored a set and you want to add that set to your list of sets and potentially edit it, if perhaps maybe there's 15 great terms but you don't want all 34, what you'll want to do is click the plus sign, which will add the set to your class. So you may have to create a class. So let's say this is your coding GLL class or coding online class. You can enter the Center for Talent Development at Northwestern and create the class. So I have my set here. So I could continue searching. Let's say my next concept was the agricultural revolution. I can search through, there's some images on these. Let's say I like this set. I click on it, and I add it to my coding GLL class. Maybe that doesn't make sense here, but I'm going to add it to that class. Now if I go back to my sets, I have the agricultural revolution and coding. In order to edit one of these, you would simply click on the set and click copy. And this way you can actually edit the text. You can delete a term altogether. You can add an image. You can change the definition. The set is now yours. And then you would simply click create. And you've created your set. Now, to embed these sets into Schoology, all you have to do is find the embed links. So here now I have 2 Agricultural Revolution sets, and I know this is the one that I created. So let's say I wanted to add this to Schoology. I click on the set, I click on the More option, and I click Embed. And I can choose which set I want to upload. So I could include the match game, the learn, the test, flashcards, or spelling. So I want students to match. I'm going to copy the HTML below. It already copied, but just to show you, you can copy it. Go to your course. I would add a page. Quizlet Agricultural Revolution. And then you want to embed that content. Make it smaller. Create. So here I have my page. Start game, and students can start dragging. If I wanted to add another set, so I added Agricultural Revolution, and let's say I want to embed the actual flashcards. I just click Flashcards, copy, go back to that same page, edit. I just want to make sure that I click my cursor to the right of the box and then I hit enter a couple times. Insert content again from the web, media, embed, paste, insert media. So I see the second placeholder, so I'll make that smaller. I can also center these in the page. And if I want them to be the exact same size, I can click the edit media. And I see this one is 605 by 332. So I can view this one, 6, and I can change that to whatever that was. What was this one again? 605. So they're the same size. Go back. So I have my match game still. And then I have the set. And voila, that is embedding Quizlets in Schoology.